of this UCA graphic design. So I'm not lonely, I'm together with my colleague called Isaac Murakizima, but on the head, this training is so much, and I really thank each and everyone who played a little and a big role of reintroducing this UCA in here, University of Rwanda. So this training was brought about different musics.
Demon Live.
Different musics, different skills, different knowledge. These skills we have got. It equipped us to be on the head of graphics. On these trainings, we have learned different softwares like Adobe Photoshop, like InDesign and Adobe Illustrator. These softwares are the backbone of graphics. For those who didn't know graphics, these are the backbone of graphics. If you can know, these graphics you are seeing here, this is our art. Those one who has the agenda and the programs are our art. We have did it during our sessions. So, before we go far away, we are going to present our art. They will project our art and we're gonna explain it slow to slow. Thank you. Stay in touch with us.
Thank you very much. My name is Isaac Kaminuzа. I'm one of trainee in graphic design. As my class representative said, this was a very wonderful journey to us as we elaborated more about graphics and the knowledge and the skills that we have gained from it. It will keep us with high competence. So I'd like to request the technical team to project our work. Yes, rwari urugendo rutoroshye ariko kandi nyine rwasabaga kwihangana. For some of us it was the first time we manipulated Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and the InDesign. But as you see, utwo programs, mufite, flyers and banner here, it's a part of our work. So in the graphic design journey, twatangiye twiga principles of and the elements of graphic design, where our lecturer introduced much more about that. And later on, we have been introduced to design softwares, where we have learned Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. So these are some of our works. As you see here, the first one, nuko nikura twajya dutangira to designing akantu kamwe hakajya kandi. You see here, it's another part of this ceremony we are in today.